All right. In this lesson, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to solve some questions about surds. So my first question is square root 125 minus square root 20 minus over square root 45. So what I try to do is that I will try to take this 125 out, 20 and 45 too. So when I look at I can't take any of those one out, but I can take one of the factors of them. Like this one is 25 times 5, this one is 4 times 5, this one is 9 times 5. So we are going to take 25 out for this one, and this here 4 out, and here 9 out, which is going to be 5 root 5 minus 4 root 5 over 3 root 5. And then I will do operation on the top, which is going to be 5 minus 2. So this is the same type of this one again, 2, 3 plus 4a equals to 7a. So these a's are now 5. Okay, the same thing, which is going to be 3 root 5 over 3 root 5. That will be 4. And let's have a look at this question. And in this question, I will try to get sum of them out. If I can't take, I know that I can multiply as I have multiplication between them. No sign means is multiplication between them. Between them, I can multiply inside serve to each other. I do so. So inside will be multiplied. Before that, even you can see simplify this and that will be 4. And then look at here. No. Oh, this will be 4 times 9 36. Don't forget to put square root 36 times. And this 8 power 5, 8 power 3 will give me 8 power 8 times b over 8 power 1 times 8 power 5 will give me 8 power 6. And then I can do operation with this 2, which is going to be root 36. So it is power 2, I forgot to write, which is going to be 36 times 8 power 2 times 8 power 2. And this 36 will come out as 6, 8 square will come out as 8, and b square will come out as 8. That's going to be your final answer. All right, let's have a look at this question. In this questions, I have the negative and positive, the same numbers will come out as root 3 and root 3 power 2 minus 1 power 2, which is going to be 3 minus 1, which is 2. See, easier. See the same number with negative and positive. My next question is about that one too, but don't forget you have the two roots. Well, so here you will say that square root square of this minus square of this, because I will need to multiply inside source to each other, both of them under the same source, by the way. So that will be root 11 square minus this square, which is 9, which is going to be 11 minus 9, which is root 2, and we can't come out, stays as it is. And for this question, I did improve question 2 in one of the previous question indeed. So this one is going to be 36 times 2, this one 25 times 2, this is 4 times 2. So I will take this 36 out as 6 root 2, and this 3 times this 25 comes out as 5, will be 3 times 5, 15 root 2, and this one comes out as 2, 5 times 2, which is going to be 10 root 2 over root 2. Then I got there 6 minus 30 minus 10 will give me negative 19 root 2 over root 2. And then I simplify this and this to each other, which is going to be negative 19. Your final answer. All right, this type of questions you see, this is cube root and then 4, and this one is root. So you multiply powers by these numbers. So this is 5 power 3, this is 3 power 4, and this is 6. And these are the numbers when we put these numbers. So this 5 cube 3 divided by 3, 1 which is 5 times, and 6 divided by 3 power 2 minus, and this one power divided by those numbers, 4 divided by 4, 1 which is 3 times 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2 plus 6 which for the 6x squared. And I got all of them the same. I can say that 5 minus 3 plus 8 is going to give me 6, which is going to give me 8. And I have another question. See, this one is like puzzle, like game. So you start from right to left, you go on. So this 16 will come out as 4, and you multiply with 9 by 9, which is going to be 36. This one to outside is going to be 6. This multiply to each other will be 144. Outside is 12. And 81 over 12 times 12 will give me 81 here. And this out is going to be 9. 9 times 4, 36 will come out as 6. Still a game. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.